I found some mushrooms here. They are Cornelius something. They're called Mica cap. I was hopeful. I was thinking I found some Liberty caps, or I found something. But this one looked like it bruised blue right here, honestly. But I pinched it here and there's no bruising. What if there's some mixed in? What if there's some mixed in with... What if they had two different kinds there, you know what I mean? Man, that looks like it's bruising blue. Oh, and look, it has that underneath that skirt too. Oh no, it doesn't have a skirt. Yeah, I don't think that. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes. I don't know. I don't think so.